Hi, MT Motors here. Good morning. I have issue here. Audi 66 plate, 2-liter diesel. As you can hear, the engine running. It's not running well. Loud, noisy. And what happened is, someone did the timing belt, put new timing belt on 4 days ago. So this car came here to me with this rattle. You guys advise, you can leave a comment to say see what may be the trouble. Check the oil coming up. Pure issue happened. Clean this fella here. Clean it, put it back. Car's running lumpy. As you can hear the noise. You accelerate it. Let me just press accelerate. You hear it? Sound like a pure starvation. Leave a comment if you have any idea. Can you leave a comment so we can drop it, please, as soon as possible. Timing is out on the pure time. Let me show you something. Look at the pressure is coming from the 17. The pressure that is coming from the fuel supplier. The normal, yeah, so car sound like a fuel starvation. Fuel is not flowing as it should. Alright, please leave a comment. If you have this experience, please leave a comment so we can sort this one out as soon as possible. Thank you very much for viewing.